Welcome to our 10-minute morning stretch routine, designed to revitalize your day and get your body moving. Let's begin by standing up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Start by reaching your arms up towards the ceiling and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your arms down and fold forward, reaching towards your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Take a few breaths here. Next, come back up to standing and extend one leg straight out in front of you. Flex the toes and gently reach towards the toes, feeling the stretch in your calf and hamstring. Hold for a few breaths and then switch legs. Now, let's move to the floor. Sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Reach your arms forward and slowly roll down, one vertebra at a time, until your back is flat on the ground. Bend your knees and bring them into your chest, giving yourself a gentle hug. Release the hug and extend one leg straight up towards the ceiling, flexing the foot. Hold this stretch for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Slowly lower the leg and switch sides. Finally, let's finish with a gentle twist. Keep your legs bent and place the sole of your right foot on the outside of your left knee. Place your left hand on your right knee and gently twist your upper body to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. That's it. You've completed our 10-minute morning stretch routine. Take a moment to notice how your body feels refreshed and energized. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.